Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the final live stream of the night. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on long division. Our model problem is 114 divided by 3. So we're going to start out by looking for the number within the number. We want to divide by the smallest digit possible. And the rule is that the digit inside the square, the number inside the square that we start with, has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside the square. Now we cannot start out, clearing my throat. Now we cannot start out with one digit by one digit division because 3 is bigger than 1 and the number inside has to be equal to or bigger than the number outside. But we can start out with 2 digit by 1 digit. So we can start out with 11 divided by 3. We want to see how many groups of 3 we can get in the number 11. So I'm going to count my groups of 3 here. 3, that's one group of 3. 6, that's 2 groups of 3. 9, that is 3 groups of 3. Now if I count by 3 again, I'll be at 12, which is too far. That would be past 11. But I was able to get 1, 2, 3 groups of 3 within the number 11. 3 goes into 11 3 times. Make sure when you write the number that you line it up with the one that's in the tens place. Very important that you line up the numbers correctly. Now there is a remainder. When I counted by 3s, 9 was as close as I could get to 11 without going over. So we're going to do 11 minus 9 to find our remainder. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Going to bring down the 4. Now I have to figure out how many groups of 3 go into 24. So I'm going to count groups of 3. 3, that's one group of 3. 6, 2 groups of 3. 9, 3 groups of 3. 12, 4 groups of 3. 15, 5 groups of 3. 18, 6 groups of 3. 21, 7 groups of 3. 24, 8 groups of 3. And it looks like for this one, there is no remainder. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 goes into 24 8 times. And 24 minus 24 equals 0. So we do not have a remainder. And we have our final answer, 114 divided by 3 equals 38. All right, shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. I am going to do one more division problem. All right, 124 divided by 4. That will be my final problem of the video. So step 1, we want to divide by the smallest number possible. We are looking for the number within the number 124. 1 is too small. Remember, the number outside the square has to be equal to or bigger than the number inside. 12 works. We can start out doing 12 divided by 4. So I'm going to count my groups of 4 now. 4, that's one group of 4. 8, 2 groups of 4. 12, 3 groups of 4. So 4 goes into 12 3 times. And there is no remainder for that one. When skip counting by 4s, we landed right on 12. So 12 minus 12 equals 0. There is no remainder. I'm going to bring down the 4 now. Now we do 4 divided by 4. We count by 4s. 4, and look at that, we are right there. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. There is no remainder. And we have our final answer, 124 divided by 4 equals 31. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right. I'm going to do one final problem. I was going to make that our last problem, but do one final problem. 295 divided by 5. This will be my final problem of the video. So smallest digit we can start out with is 29. 29 divided by 5. So I'm going to count by 5, see how many groups of 5 I can get into 29. Five, that's one group of 5. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. If I count by 5 again, I'll be at 30, which is too far. That would be past 29, but I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 within 29. 25 was as close as I could get to 29. Skip counting by 5s without going over 29. So I'm going to do 29 minus 25 to find my remainder. 29 minus 25 equals 4. I'm bringing down my 5. I got to figure out how many groups of 5 go into 45. So counting by 5s, 5, that's one group. 10, 2 groups of 5. 15, 3 groups of 5. 20, 4 groups of 5. 25, 5 groups of 5. 30, 6 groups of 5. 35, 7 groups of 5. 40, I'm now at 8 groups of 5. 45, 9 groups of 5. So I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 5 within 45. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. And there was no remainder for that one. (45 minus 45 equals 0). And we have our final answer. 295 divided by 5 equals 59. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.